It's me again for this another video, and today is still April 25th, 2023. Right now 6:53. Right now he's pouring out the cement out of his truck, all dirt and such. Look at all that dirt go. Yep. Take it away. Yep. This is just a little sneak peek. I just caught it by accident. Yep, and now look what they did over there. Let's hope they actually leave this thing. It's almost 7 o'clock. Hopefully I'll do aftermath. Now this truck is, I don't know, let's hope he leaves. No, he's probably parking it. Well, there you have it, folks. A little update for the 6th video just for today. And please comment or subscribe to ring the bell if you like this or previous videos. In the meantime, your cameraman, Daniel Drupski, saying thanks for sticking around and watching what they do at work. And then I'll see you maybe a little later for more updates, what they're doing. Goodbye, folks, and enjoy the video.